Hello everyone, just walked into Dollar Tree and these boxes caught my attention right away. I think they're part of the Mother's Day line, but they're all full here. Like every single size is available. So I feel like they were just put out. This is the largest and then they have the smallest at the front. Also a whole bunch of new wall art here. Butterfly, oh wow. Bows, this was very trendy through the winter. I'm not sure if bows have kind of made their way out, but you do still see them out. Oh wow, look, there's another one. Cute. These are like posters. They're gallery art posters. They're quite large. And there's a variety of prints. Let me see if I can share them with you. There's only one visible, so you'll see the 3 samples on the front, or the 3 designs. And then they have this display here, which reminds me of Michael's. Michael's has a lot of nautical right now, and this fits right in there with, oh wow, like some abstract art, beach kind of vibes here, waves. Oh, this one's cute too, like an entrance into the pathway of the ocean, and yeah, and some birds and stuff. I don't know their names, but these also have, they're plastic. You can stone effect them. I've shared how to do that before on the channel. Maybe I'll link the DIY down below. I've done it with different items. I was hoping to find these dupe Crocs in my size, but they don't have adult size. It's just all children's size. I think up to 13. I don't fit in a small child size anyways. By the way, there's 100% polyester and 100% cotton towels. So just be on the lookout if you are looking for a specific pattern. The lemon print for sure has 100%. So I'll share here. This is 100%. And even their oven mitts are 100%. So I was wondering, between the 2 lemon prints, which one everyone likes better? The busier one or the one with just the lemons? There's some glass cups with straws as well. These little candy holders, they sold out so fast at all of the locations. They're little, they're mini. I have to have them. They're very cute. What a fun decor. I think I'd have to string a whole bunch of them if you do a pool party. These are fun as well. So there's the grape, strawberry. I wonder if there's other fruits out there. I also like looking in this area this time of year because if there's something fun for a birthday decor, I'll grab it. It's only one time a year. Oh, the little umbrellas are back. Probably getting tired of hearing it, but I love the lip gloss in this line. It's called Bliss. Let's see. There's a sun-kissed one. It's kind of similar, but this one is glitter. Oh, here. Oh, did they change the color? I'll have to look through that. There's a whole bunch of different... This is eyeshadow. Reminds me of Alouette. I think that was the company years ago that I remember it from. This purple. A bunch of lip balms. This little refillable pump. Pretty good for traveling if you need to. Maybe a little bit too big on the cap. Make sure it's secure, that they stick on. Has anyone tried this? It has like peptide, and these are cute. There's 2 in a pack. The lip gloss in a chapstick form, kind of. The squeeze tube and the original classic. This is from the Cream Shop. I don't know what it is. It's Hello Kitty. It's like a lip balm, but I'm not sure why it's like this. I'm in the craft aisle, but before we look at the stickers and everything, there's a whole bunch of glue here I wanted to share with you, and the school supply stuff, like the teachers area. So there's Mod Podge, there's matte, and there's glossy. And then they also have the Aleene's permanent fabric glue, which is pretty good. And then they have the sticky one too, like the tacky glue, which I love. They have these little kits still kicking around, so if you need to organize a desk, they're really great. A whole bunch of, I like them for paper crafting and journaling with as well. Lots of stickers. Actually, this store doesn't have as many stickers as I'm used to them having, so I feel like they've been kind of selling and not replenishing. I'm kind of not sure. They have a lot of stamps, some new stuff here from the teacher department. I'm not sure if the packaging has been changing, so this one here is our standard, crafter square that we've been seeing for the last few years. Oh, by the way, they have new people. But yeah, like I feel like, see, this was like Craft Medley years ago, but now see this new packaging, blue and white. Yep, I feel like something's changing. The jewelry kits are kicking around in some stores, not all. They have beads. This here is from the bead shop, and it's glass. Really cute little packages. Very small though. If anyone use it, maybe let us know what you thought. Did they feed nicely? These are glass. I have them. And here's the Aleene's, like the actual rub-on glue stick. Jig rub. I don't know. These are new to me. I haven't seen them before. And then packaging here for these as well. We have the cutting mats. These typically sell well. Oh, I thought this was a container full of gems, but it's not. It's just, I think something got loose. Quick overview of the coloring books. I know some of you appreciate, I think Barbie one here is new. It's a dot to dot, so you connect the numbers. I like when there's like that nice coloring book with the white pages. I bought this just because I had to have it. Strawberry Shortcake is very, I don't know, just love the nostalgic designs in here. So I thought, let me grab it. There was only one, but here there's a whole bunch. There was only one or two left at the store that I bought it from, but this one here is well stocked. Lots of activity notebooks, like I think these are newer, spotted picture puzzles. Well, they're actually pretty decent colors. And then they have like puzzles, sticker books. They have new kids, children's books here. Blue's Clue, I think. I can't remember. My kids never watched this, and I never did either. That's cute. It's like a flap, lift the flap book. This one's magnetic cover. Wow. Pretty pricey. They have some, One Dinosaur Ultimate book. It's been kicking around for a few months. Who's Playing on the Farm? Oh, let's see, also another floppy book. Anyways, I'll go through here and see if there's anything for my niece. I'm always adding to her book collection if there's something nice. That's cute. So they have some polyfill. This is fairly new at Dollar Tree. And if you're doing like little felts, not felts, but if you crochet little characters and then you need to fill them in with fill, then at least you have that option here. Lots of fabric as well. Did you hear about or see Michael's has a whole bunch of fabric that's there for you to order and cut per yard? These are actually not too bad. I'm tempted to buy this because I think it's got a cute aesthetic. The only problem is it's too light. Wow. Oh Oh my gosh, this is a really good deal. Perfect for organizing my stickers. Oh my goodness. And these journals, they sold so fast at most locations. They're beautiful, great for junk journaling. They also have these smaller ones if you want to tackle a smaller project and not so overwhelming with large pages. It's not quite a journal, but it has 3 sections. It should have a lined, dotted, or bullet, and then plain. So be mindful of that, because I did pick one up and it had 2, like no lines, and then 2 dotted, I think, sections. So just be careful when you're going through it. Lots of journals here. They have 2-pack of Scotch branded transparent tape, and then they have their jot line. You can see it's a little bit, the weight is lighter. Lots of organizers, desk organizers here. I'll go through the scissors. I was hoping to see if they had some nice Fiskars for kids. They did have them at the other store, and I regret not purchasing them. But that's how it goes. If you don't buy something when you see it, typically, especially like a one-of-a-kind find or branded things, they do sell fast. It's like a ledger, old school. Great for if you're a junk journaler. Great for taking apart and repurposing. These are actually really nice. I really like this layout. This would be nice for leaving in my kitchen. Sometimes you just have things on your mind and you write them down on a nice piece of paper. At least I always use just normal paper. Lots of pens, markers. Has anyone tried this one? I don't know if I've purchased it and it's sitting in my collection. Oh my gosh, let's not even talk about that. I have so many pens from here that I haven't even opened. Here's some zebra pens. They always make a good pen. If you have a grad, definitely check out Dollar Tree, because it's a lot less expensive than most. Like if you go to Michael's, these have little grad hats, by the way. So if you have a pool party, and they also have these kits, which I think I'm going to grab a pack. I don't have a graduate this year, but it doesn't have the date. This one has the date. I love this. I think it's so cute. It has 2026, so this is not good for me. Lots of toiletries here. Some of the stuff we know. Oh, something shiny is catching my attention here. Very good marketing, I have to say. It did capture my attention. It has got that rainbow holographic effect. I was hoping to see if from this line here, if they had that big yellow, I think it's like a balm, a lip balm or hydrating balm, and I regret not buying one because I've heard excellent reviews on it. Ever since I've seen them, they're completely sold out, and you snooze, you lose at Dollar Tree. That's the way it goes, right? Can't always, there's Hello Kitty here. Some of you were looking for these packs, so there's some hanging in the, I guess, toiletry department as well. I don't know what this is. Is it a sponge? It says you can roll it on your face and body. And these here are from the cream shop along with the little headband. We'll take a look at the body washes, shampoos. There's some new stuff here by Be Pure. I'm not sure if anyone has any feedback. It's got shimmer in it. I don't know if it dyes your bathtub or anything, but always curious to know what you guys think. There's lots of, looks like bubble baths and stuff, but a lot of body wash as well. This one here goes with like a honey one. Oh, that's not gonna stay. And this one belongs over here. Sometimes when I'm shopping, I fix the shelves. Plastic straws are so rare to find that I'm buying a package just to keep at home, because you just never know with the kids if you need them for like a slushie. Quick overview here. There's some stuff that looks like it's part of a Christmas line. I don't know. It's green and red. So usually like these colors remind me of their Christmas line, right? But yeah, just go through here, see if there's anything that stands out as being new. I don't really see anything super new, but I like this thing here sometimes just for organizing random stuff through the house and carrying it around. It's so bizarre. I wish it was closed on, the sides. This is newer to me. It's a pantry organizer. And there's like a solid whitish color in the clear, transparent little tub. I like it for soaking clothes sometimes in my laundry, laundry room. So these are Minecraft, but I have to tell you that they are made by the company Zach. Sometimes it's really hard to see it on the bottle, but if you come right down low, on the right angle, it will say Zach. But you have to be, like some of them it's hard to find. Like this one has it, but it's hard. And when you get right down, you'll see it. It's quite funny. Anyways, there's so many bottles here. A lot of novelty prints like Mario and Minecraft, Disney. But yeah, it's on here. You just have to look. Sometimes you'll spin past it, and then if you get right down, see? Like it just shows up. It's so weird. Anyways, I think that's enough obsessing over the Zach logo, but they are a Zach product, which you will pay a lot more at Walmart for. And then there's different styles. There's like the sippy with the straw, and then there's the one you tip and drink out of. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.